Hey everyone, welcome back to eStoreKings, where we dive into the latest updates coming out of the e-commerce world. If you're a small business owner using Shopify, you're going to want to check out one of their newest tools. Introducing the Shopify 3D Scanner, an all-new tool that's going to turn your product pages into interactive 3D showcases. So, get ready to give your customers a shopping experience that's literally from another dimension. We're entering the era of 3D, and Shopify's at the helm with this cutting-edge technology. Plain, static images just don't cut it anymore. With just your phone and the Shopify app, you can transform your products into virtual lifelike goods. It's like having a mini photo shoot minus all of the expensive gear. Plus, you end up with a product you can almost reach out and grab. Why is this such a big deal? Well, picture this. Your customers can't touch or feel your products online, right? With 3D models, they can get the next best thing. This means they'll have more confidence in their purchase and less oops, this isn't what I expected returns for you. But hey, it's not just about looks here, this is smart business too. Think about it from an SEO standpoint. These 3D models can improve your site's engagement, and search engines love that. And Shopify ensures these models are super lightweight, no slow loading pages here. So you're probably thinking, how can I use this new tool? You'll need either an iPhone or iPad running iOS 17 or later along with the latest version of the Shopify app. You'll also need consistent lighting and enough room to move completely around your product. A plain background is your best friend here. Let your product do the talking. Products need to be at least 3 inches in length, width, and height in order to be detected by the 3D scanner. When editing or adding a new product, simply click on Add Media, select 3D Scanner, and then begin scanning your product. The whole process will take up to 20 minutes. Once you've added your 3D model to your Shopify store, your customers will be able to rotate the product, zoom in, and get a real feel for what the product will look like in a real-life setting. The new 3D scanner is more than ideal for business owners in just about any industry, including fashion, tech gadgets, home decor, and more. You name it, it can be scanned. So, are you ready to give your customers a seemingly in-store shopping experience right from the comfort of their own home? If so, it's time to add a new dimension to your Shopify store with the 3D Scanner app. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more e-commerce tips and tricks, and ring that bell to stay updated on all things Shopify. Until next time, keep it fun, keep it 3D, and keep it selling. See you in the next video.